It's very special what they've uncovered up here.
When you find one, it's like finding treasure.
They're mysterious.
Can't tell you exactly where we are, but we're in a 141 managed forest near Nelson. As a planner, as you first get to a site, you never know what you're going to find. When we heard what our contractors have found, we were really surprised.
Kia ora koutou, no mai ore mai ki te whenua Ngāti Tama.
We just got to go quite slowly and just having a good look around. It's just getting your eye in sometimes. Oh, here's some shells. Oh, these are the shells of the giant snails of Powelliphanta species.
Just the normal size?
That's an adult snail, yes, so that's about as big as they come. And this species is only found in Nelson region. Powelliphanta are giant endemic snails. They're only found here in New Zealand, and they're huge. They're bigger than any of the other snails, so they just are gentle giants.
What happened to the snail?
There's only one creature in New Zealand that can actually do this, and that's the pig. These are critically endangered snails with the same level of threat as a kakapo.
Plantation forests are a monoculture, but there's still a level of biodiversity if you look carefully. So we wanted to protect the species. We engaged with DOC, who are the experts, and we liaised with Ngāti Tama, who are our landowners, to work out what we could do. We've erected a fence to keep our pigs and weka and any live snails that we may find out in the plantation forest, we will relocate into the sanctuary.
We are a commercial entity, it's forestry, but here we are working with 141 and DOC, and here's a way that we're starting to look after the smaller animals within our environment. Ngāti Tama are practising kaitiakitanga.
I think this project can set a precedent for working with native species in pine plantations.
So our harvesting practices have changed here. We've split up our harvesting and we're selecting smaller areas to manage our way through this site.
We won't harvest this area. We will just ensure that the understory grows up and that the habitat is intact.
Here we found one. This one's a young Powelliphanta. We can see how vulnerable it might be.
We're definitely looking at bringing our whānau up here and monitoring.
Okay, let's set up here. So it'll be 10 by 10.
This is for the monitoring plot that we're going to set up here.
The next step with this project is to monitor the outcome, to see if this is an effective management tool for the snails here.
I'm proud of the work the guys are doing here. This site requires special attention and that's exactly what it's getting.
So with 141 being the leasee and for them to bring on the landowner and for us to then include our whānau, it's gold standard.